Okay, there I get it right. Welcome, 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 my lovely warriors. Welcome to the Enlite channel and welcome all the JEE 2023 warriors, be it the 12th standard students or be it the dropper students. This is the most important session, the life-changing session for all those students who are preparing for JEE 2023. And in this session, I'm going to touch upon the most important things which will be life-changing for you. I won't take too much of your time. I know time is very precious and so many of you are asking so many different things. I really felt that if I don't take a session for all of you, I will be not doing justice as a teacher. So that's why I am here to motivate, to strategize, to give you a detailed plan. No bakwas, guys. To the point, the best plan for all your preparation. So guys, let me know, are you guys ready? Are you on fire? I can already see that. Abhishek, Esaki, Vanilla, NEET aspirant, Hajira, Mageshwari, Alvin, Raj, being an IITian, Jwara. Welcome, 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 my dear warriors. Are you guys all on fire? Let me know, guys, by raining some fire emoticons in the chat box so that I know how eager you are, how enthusiastic you are to listen and crack JEE 2023. The more the fires, that means you are more motivated, you want it. And even if you're watching it recorded, guys, after the live class is over, it's okay. You can comment in the chat box with the amount of that fire, how much fire is there within you to crack the JEE 2023 exam. There's not much time left to waste. So let's straight away dive into the session. And for those of you who are very new to the channel, maybe you do not know me, I'll just give you a quick introduction, guys. I'm a graduate from NIT Nagpur. I did my research from IIT Bombay. I have trained thousands of IITians. My students, just like you, are going to be Dilip, Isaki, Ashlesh, Gautami, Mahabhurti, Lalit. I'm pretty sure you two will be in this list next year, hai na? I'm 100% sure. And I know over the years what it takes to get into IIT. I have tried so many different things with so many students and made sure that even an average student is able to reach their destination, their goal. So that is the whole point of this session, guys. There are no born intelligent students. Maybe there are a few, maybe they are very lucky, but there are so many people who are below average, maybe just like me also. I was also average. But it's just the strategy, the practice, the dedication, the right guidance which will help you. And I'm not boasting myself, but I know I can do it for you. And that's why I'm here. Or else I wouldn't be here on YouTube telling you all my secrets, telling you how I made these students into IITians. So if you are, resonating with me, then go ahead, smash the like button. Make sure you are a subscriber to Enlite, the dedicated English medium channel for all the students in the country and even abroad. Right? Awesome, guys. I can see all that fire, all that emojis, all those feelings are being seen. I know I can't see your face, but I can sense it. Like this, I can sense it through the chat box. Very good. Keep it up. Now, let me tell you what exactly I'm going to do in today's session. See, guys, we are going to talk about what is required to crack JEE 2023 with 99 percentile, because that's what the title says. The title says 99 percentile. And I'm not joking over here, because if I have seen this, if you do not get 99 or maybe 97 or 95 or 96 percentile in the first attempt, then you feel disheartened. You feel dejected. You lose confidence in the first attempt. Second attempt goes bad. Then you're not able to study well for the JEE Advanced exam. You know that from your seniors or you might have heard stories. I don't want you to feel low after the first attempt. So in the first attempt only, let's crack it. Hai na? Okay. What this target of 99 percentile means exactly. A lot of people think or you have some ideas about 99 percentile, but I'm going to give you actual facts and figures. I'm going to tell you how many days are required. I'm going to tell you which all chapters you should revise. What are the weekly targets? Subject-wise marks versus percentile JEE analysis from our team. High weightage chapters, guys. This is what you wanted. You asked for it. You wanted, sir, tell us the topics which are high weightage. And obviously, I know you guys are waiting for, sir, what is the expected date? First attempt, second attempt, third attempt. What do you think it is going to be? And What if my 12th syllabus does not get over by a specified date? So all of this in today's session. I hope you have smashed the like button, and guys, today's PDF will be available to you in the Telegram channel later on. But if you just see the PDF, you will not understand. That's why you have to watch this session. With me, guys? With me, guys? All right. I hope my voice is clear, guys. I hope my voice is clear. Let me know, guys. Is my voice clear? Let me know in the chat box. Good evening, Kushi. Good evening, Sunil. Hello, Mzen. Hello, Minakshi. Hello, everyone. All right. All right. Looks like my voice is clear. Now, first things first. Everybody knows that CBSE board examination will be around 15th February, 1 month gone over there. So we have no time to waste. It's not the time to enjoy, chill, madi. No, no, no. It is not the time for that. It is the time to be very, very serious. Utilize all the resources. Hardly any time left. So for all the students who have not yet got that fire within themselves, this slide is just to bring in that fire, to enlighten it. The channel also says that, enlight, to light that fire so that you actually get pushed. It's not to pressurize you, it's just to motivate you and show you the reality. If me being a teacher, I do not show you what is the reality, then I am cheating you. I am not doing justice. I can do fun. Maybe I might get views, but I am not for that. I am here to make sure you get into IIT. Next year when you meet me, you should thank me. That's all I want. Okay. Now, see why I chose this 99 percentile also. Let me justify that for you. Because if you look at this score of February session 2021, see this is 99 percentile, guys. These are the different shifts, morning, evening for different shifts. Okay. So average score is 200 for 99 percentile. If you go for 90 percentile, it is 97. You take some other date, no problem. You take March session, last year. You can see average is again 205 for 99 percentile. Everybody with me on this? Everybody with me on this? Isaki, I started my JEE preparation when I was your age in 11th standard. But don't worry, even if you have missed a lot, still there is a lot of things that you can cover up. Okay, I'm going to tell you, Ashlesh Pai, which chapter to do, what to do, everything is coming up in the session. Then if you look any other session also, the July session, see this, 99 percentile is 208, 90 percentile is 109, approximately gives you an idea, 95 percentile 144, it gives you a tentative idea, 99 percentile is 203, 95 percentile is 138, approximately 140 means 95, 90 percentile means somewhere around 100, and 99 percentile means somewhere around 200. Take anything. See, here it was little less. So average, guys, average is around 200. Give or take. Give or take. Average is 200. Everybody with me on this. Everybody with me on this. So I'm just going to write over here. So for 99, just write it in the chat box. For 99 percentile, what is the approximate score you should target? 200 plus. Correct? 200 on an average. For 90 percentile, how much are you going to target, guys? Approximately 100. And for 95 percentile, how much are you going to target? Approximately 140 marks. Okay, approximately 140 marks. So this is how it is going to be. So things should be clear. You should not be in a illusion. Oh, even in 180 I will get it. Oh, I didn't know only, sir. So this is something which I don't want. I don't want to fool you. I don't want you to live in an illusion. You might like me, you might hate me, but as a teacher, as a mentor, as your guide, as your true carer, I'm somebody who cares for you. That's why I'm here. I want you to realize and work for it. That is my aim. And don't get scared. Even if it looks unachievable, even if you're getting 80 marks right now, total, not one subject, total, believe me, you can cross this. Believe me, you can cross this in the first attempt if you listen to the lecture and follow it. But you have to listen and apply, or else then there is no point. Trust me, even if your total score, I'm not kidding, guys, because last year my students have done that. So I feel that you will be also able to do it. Okay? So are you ready to run this race? Are you ready to fight? And if you are ready, guys, please put up a thumbs up. Okay. Now, how do you get yourself back on track? What are the different, 4-point things I will give you? Just 4 pointers. Just 4 pointers to get yourself back on track. I know 99%, I'm saying 99% of the students are not as they want themselves to be. They think that they should be here, but they are not. And that is the case with 99+% of the students. So first thing, don't feel left out. You are not alone. Many students feel the same. It's about what you do in the remaining days now. Whatever you have not done, forget it. Throw it in the dustbin. What will you do? Throw it in the dustbin. Don't think, I should have done that, I should have done this. Regrets, forget it. What is there now? 4-point plan. Syllabus completion, utmost priority. First priority, guys, what is it? Not revision, syllabus completion. Second priority, what you will do is doing the revision of the syllabus. Whether in parallel or after that, I'm going to give you the plan. Third priority, block revision and solving. See, when you complete the syllabus, what will you do? You will take chapters, let's say rotation, coordination compounds, probability, all right? You will take chapters and then individually you will revise them. You will do some kinds of things. You will do some kind of things. Okay, you will do some kind of things so that you will be able to read the theory, you will be seeing the notes, you will be solving some problems, you will take chapters and revise it. Number 1. Number 2, after chapter revisions are done, I don't think you will again do the chapters. You will take blocks like wave and ray optics, organic chemistry, है ना? Or conic sections, or probability PNC binomial together, or kinematics and dynamics together, particles, system of particles, rotational mechanics together, electricity and magnetism together, units. That is called as block strategy. That has to be done afterwards, not before. Understood, guys? Everybody? Number 4, you have to solve mock tests. If you do not solve mock tests, then what is the point? And that has to come in the end. This order is very important. If you do not follow this order, then you mess up. Now you might be wondering, sir, how many days should I take for all these things? So let me tell you that as well. See, guys, I feel that you should finish your syllabus. You only write. What do you think is the ideal time to finish the syllabus? Actually, it is November. But even in the worst of the worst case, not more than December. December maximum to maximum. This is max, guys. Maybe December 15, maybe December 10, maybe December 20, but not beyond Christmas. When Santa comes, your syllabus should be over. If you are taking more time than that, I feel you are a little late, but don't worry, I have a solution for that also, which I'll be telling in the end. With me, guys, everyone. Revision you should do 40 plus 10. You know what is this 40? This 40 is for 11th. 10 is for 12th. 40 days, let's say 11th syllabus you revise. 10 days you revise 12th. Now you might be wondering, sir, why 12th I should revise less? I thought equal weightage. Guys, aren't you studying 12th now? Plus you might have done midterm revision. Plus you are preparing for boards also. In school also so many revisions are going to happen. So many tests are going to happen. So 12th syllabus is fresh. 11th syllabus you would have forgotten. So that's why this ratio of 1:4. 1 day if you spend for 12th, 4 days you spend for 11th. But if you feel to change the ratio a little bit here and there, fine. I'm okay with that. This is ideal. You can tweak it a little bit, like 1:3. Right now I have kept the ratio 1:4. Everyone with me on this? Everybody with me on this? Okay. For dropper also this is same strategy, Maruti. Same strategy, bacha. Okay. Block revision and solving the examples. I feel within 15 days you can cover all the blocks. Quickly. One day you can choose for one block. So you can divide the entire PCM syllabus in 15 days, in 15 different blocks. Or maybe one day you are doing 2 blocks. So I think you can easily complete block-wise revision in 15 days. Now whatever time is remaining after that, utilize it for mock tests and general revision. I hope this is clear. Hello VN Creations. Awesome. So this is the first few things that you need to get in your head. I think slowly the ideas have started to form in your head. Slowly you have started to understand the gravity of the situation. You have slowly started to understand what all basic things you need to do. Let's go more into details now. So totally guys, how many days? If you add up, 65 plus days will be going. So if you count the mock test, it will take 70, 75, 80 days around. So you can think around 2.5 months will go for revision. 2.5 months for revision. Is that clear? Okay. Is that clear? Maruti, when the blocks come, when the time comes for the blocks, I will give you the block strategy also. Right now, the idea should be clear. Right now, this is what I'm going to focus on more. This, the time has not yet come. That will come after December, not before that. Okay. Now, going ahead, what exactly you should do in that revision? See, syllabus you will do, but revision also has to be done. Now, revision has to be broken down into 2 rounds. What are the 2 rounds? First round, you have to basically either watch your coaching one-shots or quick revision sessions, or if you feel that, okay, I'm not getting that decent quality of lectures in your coaching, you always have YouTube. But it has to be one-shots. It has to be quick revision. It has to be within 2 hours, maximum 1.5 hours, not more than that. If you are taking more, that means you are taking more time, you are wasting more time. Quickly you revise the chapter. Okay? If you talk about Enlite channel, I have done all the one-shots for all the chapters. 11th and 12th, it's called 0 to Hero, 0 to Superhero. Just watch that playlist. If you go to the playlist tab, you will be able to see it. All the chapters, one-shot is there. I might be doing some more one-shots here and there, but that is still there if you want to watch it on YouTube, on Enlite channel in English medium. Next step, examples of your notes coaching material. You need to spend 2 hours. 2 hours per chapter. Okay, think about it this way, that it's not the time to make notes now. If you sit and make notes, you will be wasting a lot of time. Yeah, you can make short notes, you can make mind maps, you can underline, or if you have already made the notes, very good. Else, underline, or teacher would have given you some notes, or in the textbook only you would have underlined, or maybe there is some summary sheet which you got, or you have made your own mind maps. All these things will work. You have to see through this coaching material, class notes, whatever you feel is personalized, which is concise, not the complete chapter. It's not the time to read the complete chapter, concise form. Yep. Thank you, Esaki. I'm so glad you enjoyed the Nurture series. Now, Bhavisha Sharma, 8-9 chapters. Yes, bacha, you can still crack it. Just watch my session completely. You will see that. Okay. Step number 3, guys. Step number 3, what you need to do? Solve previous year questions. This is very crucial. How many hours? 3 hours. But I'm telling you, only solve till 2020 or 2021. I know you guys are thinking, sir, what about 2021 or 2022? I'll come to that later on. But for now, till 2020, you solve. What to do about the remaining 2 years? Don't worry, but in 3 hours. So guys, approximately tell me in this part, 2 hours here coaching material, your notes, 3 hours PYQ. So in 3 hours PYQ, approximately how many problems you will be able to solve? Think about it. How many problems you will be able to solve in 3 hours? Around, say, I think 70 to 80 problems you will be able to solve. Come on, agree with me or no? Goxdar not 30, I'm pretty sure 70 to 80 problems in 3 hours you will be able to solve. Okay, in the second round, what if I tell you you have to solve single correct options? Single correct options. Why not integer? Why not integer? Why not matrix type? Because it is not much related to the main syllabus. Agree? It's not related so much to the main syllabus. So what you do? You do single correct. That is to push yourself little bit higher. Only then you can get 99 plus percentile, 99.9 percentile. If you just stick to mains, gone. You have to push little bit higher. Go deep into the concepts. Plus, in parallel, you are slowly preparing for advanced also. Think of it that way. Yes, I'm going to tell you about the expected dates of JEE Mains, Muthukumar. Hold on. Now, If you count the number of hours, I feel 100 problems at least you should be able to do. Agree or disagree? 100 problems you should be able to do in this 1.5 hours and 3 hours, maybe little bit from this also. Maybe the coaching notes, coaching material will also have some solved examples here and there. All those, at least 100 problems, and I feel more than that is not needed also. It will be too time consuming. It is fair enough. Very good, Mansi, you agree. Sri Priya also agrees. Very good, guys. Awesome. Now, this is the revision strategy, which was a part of this one. Revision. Syllabus finishing is either you are watching the lectures on YouTube from my Nurture and Pathfinder playlist, or you are enrolled in the coaching. Either way, you can do it. So for those of you are wondering, sir, what are the playlist name? So on YouTube, Shreyas Sir's classes, it is basically Nurture, and basically Pathfinder. This is the playlist. This is the playlist that you are going to use for revision. You are going to use zero to hero or superhero playlist. So I'm giving you the names also of which playlist you can watch for free. Now all this will come in your PDF Telegram channel. You should join, guys. That's very important. Okay. Now, what is the division of your day? How are you going to divide your week, days, chapter wise? See, follow this. Already started PYQ, says Muthu Kumar. Very good. So, Pathfinder was awesome, says Arvind. Very nice. So, guys, what number of chapters per day you should cover? Simple, guys. I'll tell you. You should do 7 chapters PCM altogether of 11th in the first week, let's say, for example. In the next week, you do 12th. Or let's say again 11th, okay, and then you can again go to 11th, or if you want 2 11th, 1 12th, it's fair enough. Whatever you want to do, you can switch over here, up to you. 11th, 12th, 11th, or 11th, 11th, 12th, it's up to you, but I'm just giving you a tentative idea of how you are going to cover. Now, if you notice the difference, whenever it is 11th, I'm asking you to do less chapters, but whenever it is 12th, I'm asking you to do more chapters. Obvious reason. 12th has been done recently, it's fresh in your head. 11th was done last year, you might have forgotten, so you take it little slow. So little more time for 11th, little less time for 12th, which is fair enough. I think it is justified also. Yes, Bhavisha, you can crack it, bacha. Please listen in. Now you have to continuously repeat this strategy. Repeat this for how many ever weeks. Let's say you complete your syllabus in October only, do this from November only. If you complete it in December, do it in the remaining part of December, and January, maybe in Feb, also a little bit. Now, after this, what you need to do, you should understand that when you are trying to cover 7 chapters of 11th or 10 chapters of 12th in a week, how are you going to divide that week? Sir, am I going to take 1 chapter per day? Am I going to take 1.5, 1.3, 1.4 chapters per day? No, there is a catch here. Listen in now. There is a catch here. I want you to cover these chapters, be it 7 or be it 10. This weekly target which is there, whether it is 7 chapters or 10 chapters, I want you to do it in 5 days, not 7 days. Now you might be thinking, sir, here you are telling in a week you have to do 7 chapters. But you are saying you should do it from Monday to Friday only. Then you will be like, sir, what do I do on Saturday, Sunday? Listen in. On Saturday, I want you to do the second round of revision. Let's see how many of you are paying attention. What was the second round of revision? What was the second round of revision? Remember, the first round of revision was notes, one-shots, PYQ of JEE mains, problem solving, right? What was the second round? I had written it below. What was the second round, guys? Come on, let's see how many of you are attentive. Come on, help each other and put it up in the chat box. What was it? Second round of revision. Yes, the second round of revision was your advanced SCQ. Remember that? Advanced SCQ was the second round of revision. Very good, Vivek, Alvin, Dilip, Nandini, Rahul, Praneeth, Maruti, Nizaf. Very good. You guys are attentive. Very good, guys. Keep it up. This is what I want you to do on Saturday. Now just think about it, guys. 7 chapters you have done from Monday to Friday. Whatever 7 chapters are there, PCM. Imagine you do the advanced question in one day, like a collective summary. 5 days you are studying each chapter differently. Saturday you sit and do all the questions from all the chapters, mixed questions, advanced type. Won't it build that confidence on Saturday? Slowly you're pushing your level up. And then what do you do on Sunday, guys? Take a test on Sunday. Now, when I'm asking you to take a test, you know what I want you to take a test of? Leftovers. Leftovers. What are those leftovers? Remember, just in the previous slide I told you, you don't have to solve all the papers. Till 2020 only you had to solve, or 2021. Remember, 2021 and 2022 was left out. Make a test out of it and solve. Or maybe in your book only you did not solve all the questions. All those are counted as leftovers. Whatever is the leftover. You did not complete some assignment, leftover. Make a random set of 30 questions and take it like a timed test. This is not timed. This is not timed. Back, let's get back. Thank you for coming back, and if somebody has left, please call them also. Okay. So see what I just told. On Sunday, you're going to take a timed test. These parts are not timed. Monday to Friday, not timed. Saturday, not timed. Sunday, you time it, but the leftovers. The leftovers could be 2021, 2022 papers, your assignments, your class problems, or Tattva, your coaching material, or some book, whichever you are solving. Whatever is left over, you can solve it, but take it like a timed manner. I hope that is clear. Okay. Now I can see some students, sir, I do not have time. Sir, I do not have time. What do I do for that? All right, guys, for those students who say, I do not have time. See, when you are studying and when you are completing your syllabus, if you are studying for 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, that's okay. But I think now the schools are coming to end, colleges are coming to end. You can, I don't know, you can try to, I'm not saying bunk school, but whenever there is nothing important going on in school, maybe you can sit at home, you can take a leave, or at the back bench you can sit and study for JEE. If nothing is going on in the class or something not important is there, so go sit in the library. But for revision, guys, you need to spend how many hours? At least 10 hours. How many hours? At least 10 hours. If you're not spending 10 hours, that means you're doing something wrong. If somebody is telling you, okay, you can complete revision in 8 hours and 6 hours also, then not possible, guys. Number one. Number two, if you tell me, sir, I have school, I have this, I have that, find time, sleep less, eat less, or I mean not eat less, but spend less time in eating or spend less time in random activities, but take out 10 hours in a day. Trust me, it is possible. Yes, that's what Alvin says. I'm taking time from my sleeping time. Guys, if you compromise even little bit on revision, trust me, it is not possible to get a good college. See, what happens is if you get 99 percentile now, then you 99 percentile and above, then what happens? You can probably get a good college, maybe computer science, and maybe a very good college, maybe a decent branch. Okay, but if you get slightly lower percentiles, then what happens? You have to start compromising on different things, either the branch or the city or whatever, the quality of college, something or the other you will try to compromise. So that's why you should be at that advantage. Okay, at least I want the topmost branches. I want my own branch in at least good NIT or a good college, good government college. Okay, now that this is clear, let's talk about the weightage, guys. This is very, very important. Weightage. Yes. So can't we do this revision along with 12th syllabus completion? Yes, you, Sri Priya, you can do that. Sri Priya Budhiraja has asked a very important question. In fact, I'll be taking some more questions in a bit. Definitely you can do it. Now, what about the weightage? This is very important. Look at this, guys. Very important. See, in the last few years, for getting 99 percentile in physics, 99 percentile in physics, on an average, you should score 80 plus marks. For getting 90 percentile in physics, only 50% or 50 marks you should get. Now, when I say 80, you would have obviously divided it by 4. And you would see that at least you need to solve 20 questions because physics papers were easy. I don't know what it will be next time. Maybe maths is easy, maybe physics is hard. I don't know. But similarly, if you look at chemistry, for getting 99 percentile in only chemistry, you need to get 73 marks. Slightly less, chemistry was medium. So that's why you can see the scores are less. Similarly, if you look at maths, for getting 99 percentile, don't worry about this data, I will give it to you. Don't worry about all these numbers. I will give it, you can sit and analyze. Main takeaway is maths was the toughest. And if you have to score 50 plus marks, that means around 15 questions you need to solve. Yes, just 15 questions, you would be above 99 percentile. For physics, maybe around 20 questions. For chemistry, maybe around 17 questions. So this is how the numbers are. This is how the numbers are. Okay. Now, once you know that, okay, this is how the scores should be to get 99 percentile in each subject, you might be asking, sir, what are those important high weightage topics, sir? Fine. That analysis also I have done. That analysis also I will give it to you. So I'll give you the most highly important chapters. You can start tick marking that in your maybe chapter list or in your index. Or if you have class notes, if you have an index, please start tick marking these chapters. Physics wise, these are very important chapters. You can't afford to leave this. If you have left some chapter, please start now, watch those lectures, complete it. You have time. Don't say you don't have time, you can complete it even now. Right from modern physics, very important. Current electricity, so many questions are asked. KTG, thermo also, it's important even in chemistry. Moving charges, magnetism, so many questions come. Kinematics from 11th, units and dimensions, pakka. One question at least comes, 2 questions also have come many times. Ray optics, electrostatics. So all these are in order. This is highest order and this goes to low weightage. If you look at the number of questions, look at this guys. The weightage wise, look at this. 32 plus 28, June, July attempt together. Look at the weightage of the marks. You can see that clearly over here. Or, you can see modern physics, current electricity, KTG, moving charges, kinematics, units, so heavily placed. If you do these chapters, you already have so many marks in your pockets. And you can see these are slightly lower weightage chapters. Thermal properties, properties of solids, EMI. These are slightly lower weightage chapters. But it changes from year to year. It's not like a thumb rule that this will be followed next year also. But it gives you an idea because these are averages of all the shifts, of all the dates, of all the attempts. Similarly, in chemistry, some basics concepts of chemistry, redox reactions, very important. Many questions come from that. P block elements, GOC, very important. D and F block, your inorganic chemistry, aldehydes, ketones, basically again organic chemistry, chemical bonding, molecular structure, phenols. You can see a lot of organic chemistry is there. Certain parts of inorganic is there. Maybe some of you might be very good at organic or inorganic. So you have to choose. You have to select everything properly, guys, or else you'll be missing out on heavy weightage topics, high weightage to low weightage. So please study these high weightage topics. Don't leave all these things. You can see how many number of questions your marks are coming from these chapters. Look at these numbers, guys. Be it GOC, D and F block, redox, chemical bonding. So many questions are coming from here. But if you look over here, practical chemistry, solid state, states of matter, periodic table, very little questions are coming. So guys, don't, if you have a choice of doing this versus this, do this, not this. This will give you marks. This will give you, but not so much as this. So if you want to put effort, put here first, then put effort over here. So this priority list is very important. Priority list is very important. Do you understand this, guys? Yep, I'm coming to when is the first attempt going to be. Similarly in maths, this is the order. High weightage, matrices, determinants, 3D geometry, AOD, very crucial. Slowly the order decreases in weightage, and then you can see so many questions come from 3D, AOD, definite, function, sequences, differential, matrices, determinants, binomial, vectors, all these highly important chapters. If you have an option, do that. Not this, logarithm, solution of triangles, fundamentals of mathematics, indefinite, heights and distances, trigonometry, not so much. Questions come, I'm not saying they don't come, but very rare. So you have to go by probability, obviously. You have to go by averages if you have a choice. Priority is very important. Don't try to do everything when you have less time. VMR, it depends, bacha. Competition is different and the marks are also different. Now the most important slide. All of you have that $1 million question. I don't know how many of you are going to give me that $1 million, but I just want your $1 million smile, guys. That's all. I don't want anything, and that smile may not come now. That smile will come on the result day. So guys, the expected dates for the first attempt, January, very, very less likely. It's almost like October, mid-October end, it's going to come now. I don't think they are going to release the dates so soon now, because if they had to, they should at least give a timeline that, okay, listen, the registrations will open in December, okay, the registrations will open in November. I think the time has gone now for that. Chances for March are very likely. February, it can't happen. Impossible. Remember this, because your boards are going to be there. So February, it's not possible, impossible. So January 4th week, 3rd week, guys, it's very, very less likely. I mean, that will be a miracle if it happens in January. Trust me, it will be a miracle. Okay, and then people will protest. I will also protest that what the hell, why are you conducting it in January? April beginning, more likely. Why am I putting March end less likely, or likely but not as likely as April? Because I'm guessing other state boards may also have their state examinations in March. So I think by March 20, March 25 it should be done, and maybe they will give you 1 week gap and immediately it will start. So depending on which board you are, you might get 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but don't expect more than that after your board exams. This is first attempt. Will there be a second attempt? Yes, there should be a second attempt. The chances of second attempt are 99%, guys. I mean, there is very little chance that they will have only 1 attempt or 3 attempts. They will stick to 2 attempt strategy only. That's what we feel. The tentative date for that is April end or May beginning. Yes, April end or May beginning. The chances for April end is less likely. If the exam happens, the first attempt happens in the April month only, then this little less likely. Maybe it will happen in May first week or something. Advance, most likely May end, little less likely, most likely June only. It won't happen in July, but it will happen in most likely June. That's what I'm guessing, prediction. It could be wrong, it could be correct, but 99% of the times my predictions have gone right. That's something which you should know. Okay, what about bits? Bits will come somewhere in between over here, and they might again have 2 attempts. So there might be 1 attempt somewhere in May or April. The second attempt might happen May end or June, something like that. CUET exams, CET exams will happen somewhere in between of this. So expect April, May, June to be a season of not summer exams, just exams, exam. EMSAT, MHCT, NEET, whatever. Okay, all the exams, BITSAT, JEE Mains, JEE Advanced. In these 3 months, they will try to wind up everything. Don't expect too much in July. I'm not putting my bet in July for anything, be it NEET or even be it Advanced. It should be in June. That's what I feel. So, some of you will be like, sir, what do you think if I'm not able to finish my syllabus in December? There will be some students, and if you are, please raise your hand. If you think you are not going to finish your syllabus in December, so please listen in carefully. Even if you don't finish, it's okay. Please complete the high weightage topics first, be it of 12th, 11th, whatever. Side by side, start revision. Don't say that I will wait for my syllabus to be getting over by January end or January mid. That is too late. Don't start the revision then. Side by side, slowly, at least high weightage topics, start the revision. Number 1. Okay, number 2, don't let go of your 12th standard syllabus. Complete it, because it will be useful for you in your boards also. Number 3, very important, guys. Whatever happens, even if you don't complete it by December, please try to complete it at least by January mid, max to max, not more than that. Unless you are a dropper, then you have that time, luxury of time, maybe till January end. But don't extend it beyond January mid. By hook or by crook, please try to finish it by January 15th, January 10th, around that time. Is that okay, guys? Okay. So how to manage boards and everything. So now let me summarize for you, and then I'm going to take all your doubts. I'm going to bring you guys up on the big screen. So during this time, please complete your syllabus. Worst case, December. Revision strategy divided into 2 rounds. First round, mainly on notes, PYQs of mains and one shot. Second round, JEE Advanced. Remember, 7 chapters for 11th per week, for 10 chapters for 12th per week. How to divide it? Round 1, do it from Monday to Friday, Saturday for round 2, Sunday for timed manner test and analysis. Now December, Jan is that revision period. February, March most likely will go in boards, and March onwards JEE and other competitive exams. That is what is your basic timeline going to look like. Now I know many of you might be having certain doubts, so let me probably take some of your doubts out here on the screen maybe. All right, so let's bring up all your chats out here. Okay, so guys, yes, if you have anything to say, please let me know in the chat box. I will definitely try to answer as many doubts as possible, guys. Yep. Sir, what about NEET 2024? That's too early to say. Okay. How to manage boards, Ramcharan? The best way to manage boards is, first complete your 12th syllabus and do your, if you are state board, then do your state board books. If you are CBSE student, then please do your NCERT. And what you can do is take the papers from your neighbors or your batchmates or somebody else from their school and solve those papers. Just solve the previous year board papers. They only repeat questions. If you notice board questions, they are 90% of the times repeated. They just twist it in a different way. They add flavors to it. That's all. So even if you solve only PYQs, just dedicate 1 hour of your time or 2 hours of your time or 3 hours of your time in a week. That is more than efficient. Yeah. What about class 11th revision? Trishank Yutla, like I told you, bacha, that 11th standard has to be given 4:1 or 3:1 weightage. That means 3 times more weightage for 11th or 4 times more weightage for 11th than 12th, because 12th is fresh. Okay, so if you go in one of the previous slides, I have mentioned how you are going to divide time for 11th and 12th. Okay, so which are the important chapters also, I have given it to you. How to prepare for advanced? Teja, if you are confident about getting 99 percentile, then what you can do in the revision stage, round 1 only, you can start with single choice and multiple choice. Maybe you might not be doing complex, very hard questions, but at least get the tension off your head that, okay, I have a good percentile in the first attempt. Or else what will happen in the, run to the preparation of advanced, you might not, let's say for example, not do well in mains, then the tension will be there in your head. I don't want all of that. Okay. Board physics similar to JEE physics. Vaishal Arvind, well, no bacha, because board physics is writing derivations, give reasons, draw the diagrams or experiments, give answer in brief, long answers, all that. It's theory based. This is objective, so the methodology only is different. DTU is a good college. Okay. VIEEE will also happen in April, May only, not before that. BITSAT exam is easier than JEE, yes, slightly, but there is English and also there is, logical reasoning over there, and the competition is very tough over there. Okay. Can I get a decent rank in advance if I start preparing after JEE mains? Yes, Sanidhi, Karthikeyan, you can get very good marks in JEE advance. I'll give you an example. There was one student of Enlite last year. She got All India rank 1 lakh. How much rank she got? All India rank 1 lakh. In which attempt? Mains. Not even first, second. Second attempt, I'm telling, she got All India rank 1 lakh. Guess her rank in JEE advance. She followed the lecture, she followed the strategy, she followed the same books. That's it, guys. She got All India rank 4000 in JEE advance. She got All India rank 4000 in JEE advance. Mains rank was 1 lakh. Advanced rank was 4000. So it is possible. I met her also, and just she has followed all the strategies. That's all. Okay. Can I start preparing from JEE mains from now? Yes, definitely. You can. HC Marva is useful. Yes. How can you use NCERT for physics? So do not use NCERT physics for everything, guys. Please use it for only theory chapters. like for example EM waves or semiconductors or magnetic properties. Okay, chapters like that, solids. So these are the chapters where you will be using NCERT a lot. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay, I think I've gone down. Let me just go up a little bit. Okay, I think I have to scroll like this so that I can get your chats. Just one second. Yeah, is Erodo good for solving JEE problems? Yes, it is. Definitely it is. And then some of you are asking, Arvind, sir, isn't 11th little bit tougher than 12th? Yes, because it lays a lot of your foundation. Conceptually, it is very strong. So if you do well in 11th, you can do well in 12th also. Like if you know SHM, you can do sound waves and waves on a string. If you know that, you can do very well in EM waves and light waves. It's related. And you can also do well in AC. Same way, if you are good at, let's say for example, heat transfer, you might do well in current electricity. Similarly, if you're good at mechanics visualization, you will do probably good in electricity magnetism also. If you're good at gravity, you will do well in electrostatics. So it's the base. Okay, will I take classes for physics NEET? Yes, I have taken the classes. Please watch the classes which are there in Nurture and Pathfinder series. Okay, so what are the best competitive books for JEE? I would say apart from NCERT, previous year books, your coaching material if you have any, or else then you can go for, for physics you can have H.C. Verma, D.C. Pandey. Okay, similarly for maths you have Edas Gupta, Sengage, right? Similarly for chemistry you have Avasthi, or you can go for, inorganic you have Solomon, or you can go for even Arihant books for organic chemistry is also good. Yes, you can go for all of these books. Yep. Sir, many are saying I can't crack JEE. Nandini, then that means you should prove them wrong. So won't you listen to me, bacha? I am telling you, you can crack JEE. Others might be telling you are not able to crack JEE. Who are you going to listen to? It's up to you. You want to listen to me or you want to listen to others? You want to listen to your well-wisher or you want to listen to somebody who is demotivating you? It's up to you. Choice is yours. My goal is NIT. How much rank should I get? Naveen, you should get below 10,000 rank, bacha, so that you get a good NIT, decent branch or a very good branch. So below 10,000 is very much needed, I would say. Yes, you can get these detailed slides in the Telegram channel. Where is the Telegram channel? Description box. There is a description box. There is a Telegram channel link. Just go over there. Okay, bacha? Okay. AC for NCERT versus HCV. So I would say for alternating current, please go for HC Verma. These are conceptual chapters. Strings, waves, sound, light waves, AC waves. All these are basically conceptual chapters. Go for HC Verma theory. Okay, great. Can I use one-shot lecture to finish syllabus? No hurry. One-shots are used for revision. Why did I say that? Or else, one-shots, how many one-shots are there in physics? Maybe 20 or 30. Okay, each lecture 1.5 hours. Within 50 hours, you will be able to complete the entire syllabus. Why do you want to study for 2 years? Everybody will watch my one-shots and they will be able to manage and they will get very good score. So that's why I'm saying, please do not use one-shots for understanding everything or for, starting the chapter from scratch. Now, you have time to complete the syllabus. Sleep less, utilize time, study, think, revise in the bathroom. One of my students, they used to do this. Using soap, using toothpaste, using sketch pens, they used to write on the bathroom tiles. I'm not joking, I'm not kidding, making this up. They used to write periodic tables or mathematics formula. I'm having bath, okay, I'm just writing. That's how they utilize time. What is stopping you? You want to get good college or no? You tell me that. You want it? Then find time, guys. Don't give me these stupid excuses. You want to give excuse? Fine. Who are you going to cry? Who are you going to tell? That, oh sir, oh mom, oh my dear friend, you know what, I did not get time. Oh sorry, I was not able to make 10 hours. Sir told, I listened to his strategy, but I was not able to find time. Who are you going to tell? Who is going to sit and listen? Is anybody going to sit and listen? No, right? You have to do it. Understand that. Agree? PYQ means previous year question, Alvin. DTU basically again CUET and JEE and all of that. Expected date Sol, I already gave it. All right. So I think these were some of the doubts that many of you had. Are you now ready to keep it calm, take it cool, but at the same time keep that fire alive and follow everything? Let me know in the chats. Let me know in the comments if you're watching it recorded. Or else there is no use of watching this video. You might like this video, you might share this video, you might also subscribe to the channel because you feel inspired, you feel that now there is a hope. Okay, so genuinely if you feel something from within, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and also let your friends who is probably depressed or disappointed or not doing so well, share this video with them as well. Okay, thank you so much guys. Anything else you want to ask, you know, you can ask me on my Instagram handle Shreyas, Captain_Shreyas. All right, or you can leave a comment after the video ends. I will be definitely happy to help all of you. All the best guys. Let's rock it, let's kill it. It's time to battle my warriors. All right, take care. Hasta la vista. This was Captain Shreyas signing off.